Look at her, a beautiful little canary bird, trapped in a decorative silver cage. She's trembling, someone opened the window wide, and the cold air made her shiver for the very first time. Yeah, for the very first time. Then out of the dark a nightingale started to sing, and she was moved, oh, she was moved by the beauty in this little cage. She's not well, she's fading away, waiting for a miracle to set her free. Nightingale, sing for her, shatter the bars of this silver cage. She's addicted to your melody, to the fire and the sacred rays. Don't you know she's beautiful in every single way? You press on the ivory, the chords of my heart, where the passion was hidden and drifting apart. Every note is nectar, every cadence a flame. Now the prisoner is calling, she's finally calling your name. Never dawn in the winter so long, I'm only alive in the breath of your song. Sing, oh, just sing for me. Nightingale, sing for her, break the bars of the silver cage. She's addicted to your melody. Sing for her, sing for me. Little bird is not well. No, she's not well.